Hello, and welcome back. Today, I have created the only thing this cute RPG world is missing, a black hole. Uh, you can see, as I let it follow me, that when it gets close to this box, it will push it away at first, and then as it gets much closer, pull it in rapidly. And if I go by these, it will bring in everything around it. And the closer things get to it, the faster they get near it. You can see all of this working inside of the editor here as it creates an overlapping, there we go, inside the component. As it creates an overlapping sphere, detects all of the things in there that it will overlap with. And then it simulates their physics, turning that on, and applies a force towards itself so that they all come towards it. That force is, thanks to this one, all gets multiplied to be negative so that it implodes instead of explodes. And this force being applied to it is actually a proportion, which is determined by how close the object is to the black hole. So all of this math here just makes it so that the closer the object is, the greater the force is applied. I have also made use of different Unreal nodes to enhance different parts of the project. Now inside of the player health, there is a flip-flop. So whenever you eat an apple, the first time you do, it will do the normal 25 healing, and then it switches to a random amount between 0 and 100. So it'll go back and forth just to add a bit more of a random element to the game's healing. I also have inside of the gun a do N, so that I can only shoot 30 times in a level, finally limiting the player's ammo. Uh, you can see if I go into the boss here, both of these at work. So I pick up some apples, take some damage, and the first time I will heal 25. And then the second one looks like I healed a random amount greater than 25, so I healed full. If I just keep shooting around here, then eventually I will run out of ammo. Yeah, and I can no longer shoot. I'm clicking, but nothing's happening. I also have now in the Archer script here a delay on the initial shield spawning so that they don't immediately begin spawning those whenever the level starts. So the player actually has a second. So you can see none of them have any shields yet. But if we just wait just a few seconds here, then the delay will be up and they will eventually start doing their shields. And finally, inside of the black hole script itself, I have both a sequence and a gate. The sequence just making it so that it is imploding and moving towards the player at the same time, and the gate allowing me to toggle it moving towards the player on or off, essentially acting as a simplified version of the can move variables from before. So that's all for this week. Thanks for watching.